Hi everyone, Hannah here. So I wanted to do an unboxing video, or well, this is as if I'm taking it out of the box basically, but to show you our September box and what it's going to look like. First, I'm going to show you the junk journal box, which is this one, and then I'll show you the scrapbook box, and then also the this and that mystery kit. So first of all, on the junk journal box, we have those on sale through September 7th for $38.40 shipped. After that, it will be $48 shipped. And whenever you open your box and take off the tissue paper, then you will see this cute little book we kind of bundled together for you. It just kind of gives you an idea. And it's a pretty way to package it and show you what's in it. So you'll get a yard of the waxed linen, and then we've got inside here. See, I don't know. Oh, I guess I have it. We've got our bulb pin here, which is attaching our button, our fabric leaf, as well as our basically little fabric charms. So we've got some white lace. We've also got this clear, kind of like a tulle material with the gold leaves. Really pretty. So it's a great way to put a charm on your journal. And then we've got this here, just a little handmade ephemera with maybe different definitions, thankful, kindness, different things like that. And then inside we've got a wax seal with a pressed flower and just a couple of little stickers there. And then we've got this sari silk. And so I'm just trying to mix in, what looks fallish. And it may be a multicolored, or you might receive a solid color. But, the colors themselves, it looks nice in fall. I mean, this looks more summery, but I still like the colors, though. And then you've got some buttons, some washi tape, and some stamps. And we're doing fall themed stamps, not necessarily Thanksgiving. Now, if you are in the States, and I do have some Thanksgiving stamps, you may be getting one of those. But as far as like international orders, you'll just get something like with leaves, or something about pumpkins, or this is a cute little gnome scarecrow, and they're just so cute. And then some washi tape. And put that back in the bag. So we've got this vintage light upholstery material. I really love the colors. I think it would be neat to actually cut out the pattern and, sew it on your cover, or, sew it somewhere in the book. And of course, you'd have several different pieces to do that with, and I think that would be really fun. So it's a pretty good size piece that you will receive. And then we've also got a fall themed napkin with pumpkins, acorns, leaves. And so this napkin opens up like this. And then you've got a couple of vintage book pages. We've got some ledger paper, 5 tea-dyed pages, a sheet of grid paper, and a sheet of drawing paper. So that's the part that makes up the little booklet. And we've done something, excuse me, a little bit different for this month. As you know, we had a late launch for August. So to help me get back on track, because y'all know how slow I am, I basically just purchased a different paper collection and then designed the ephemera to go along with that. So I'm going to show you the paper. This is beautiful 12 by 12 medium weight cardstock, single-sided, and some of the pages have a pearl finish. It's really pretty. I'm just seeing if some of it will kind of pick up a little bit, but I absolutely love the warm colors. So this could easily be used for fall. This is a beautiful page here. You know, you could with the black, you know, I know some of y'all like to make Halloween, you know, cards or journals, albums. And so the black in there gives it kind of that darkness, you know, that you could easily use. And I think there's some more darker pages in here that really could be used for it. I really love the just beautiful amber colors of this collection. This is a page, it has smaller flowers, so more of that black shows through. Of course, y'all know me in floral. I love floral. This is a beautiful page, kind of a late summer, you know, with what looks to be like sunflowers, and it's a beautiful pearl finished page. I absolutely love this page because it looks like vintage wallpaper. Just absolutely love it. So this is a page that's mostly black, and then you can see some of the you know, leaf pattern in the background. So I thought this would be a great one for a Halloween project. And then this one is beautiful colors. And then I absolutely love the flowers on this one. And then that's a really pretty page too. So you've got a good mixture of fall or even Halloween themed, you know, that you could use for that. And then and these are 12 by 12 sheets. And then we've got, you know, what I had designed that could easily be mixed, you know, mixed in with that. So we've got our die cut sheet. This can be cut out, and this is printed on 110 weight pound paper. This paper is like a 80-something pound thickness, about the thickness of Prima paper. It's not thick like Blue Fern Studios. If you've purchased Blue Fern Studios paper, it's very, very thick. But this is still a nice thickness like a Prima marketing paper, and that's why I liked it, because I mean, if I purposefully do buy scrapbook paper that's very thin, I have a very specific purpose for that. But as far as making, you know, books out of the paper, I prefer to have a thicker paper. So this one will get the job done, and I do like, you could leave it as is. You could mount it onto some thicker cardstock, whether it's you know, plain color, a white or a cream or a black, and that would look really well. And then we've got these beautiful die cut images here that you can cut. This is on 110 pound thickness. This is our sticker sheet, so you can cut out as you want. And I just absolutely love all of the images here. They're just so cute. And then we've got our postcard page. So I absolutely love the little postcards. You know, I want it to have a vintage feel of it. Y'all know that I'm always using vintage images or creating something that just, you know, has that vintage flair to it. And, you know, I've got a gnome here, got some mushrooms, got a bike, a fox, a squirrel with little mushrooms and pumpkins. And then we've got some journaling cards. So we've got a couple of them that are like frames. You know, you could just pop something right on top of there, or cut out the center. Got a cute little gnome here with a sunflower, bird, flowers, and this is kind of like a frame, you know, or you could, you know, use it as a journaling spot, write something in it. We've got an old mushroom paper, and we've got this, it's like a dictionary page with mushrooms on it. And then we've got this beautiful page here, beautiful fall leaves and a bird and some other like little berries, and you know, just really pretty. So I'm really excited to show y'all the collection for this month. Again, it's just to kind of help us, help me, you know, kind of get back up to speed. You know, and then if y'all like the idea of the 12 by 12 sheets, you know, then I could look for another collection where we could do the 12 by 12 sheets. So anyway, but you know, for this month we're doing it, and then we'll just kind of see how we're going to go for next month. But feedback is appreciated, you know, just so we're staying connected, and you know, I'm knowing what you want and you're getting what you want. So, and then we'll move on over to the scrapbook collection, which you will receive the papers, all of this, as well as what's in the bag. So in the bag, along with the scrapbooking box, you'll receive something similar to this. So we've got 2 stamps that you'll receive, washi tape, buttons, so you know, similar to the junk journal box, but then in addition you'll receive some sequins, some glitter. Maybe you want to make some shaker cards, or just, you know, put glitter and sequins, you know, into your project. And then we've got some flowers. Just try to mix and match some flowers that would go well with the collection. I had bought these Halloween themed flowers, I think it was last year with Prima, and so I had some left over, and I thought they were just cute. You know, since we're getting close to, you know, Halloween, I just thought this would be cute to put it in there. And then we've got some chipboard pieces, and these are where you pull the adhesive off the back, and then it's sticky. Of course, I like to go ahead and add a little extra glue to it anyway, so it holds up better. But you'll receive 3, you know, pieces similar to this, some kind of fall themed in with your kit. And then for the This and That mystery kit, you will receive this. And we've got a bulb pen with a little shiny button or a little jewelry charm. And then you'll get a random piece of sari silk. It may look like this, or could be, you know, another color. You know, basically I'm trying to keep it in with a fall theme or a color, you know, kind of a fall color. And so you will receive, it's similar to the scrapbook box, although I thought we would make it a little bit different. In addition to what you would receive in the scrapbook kit, you'll also get 2 chipboard stickers and a large washi instead of the smaller washi. And that is to help give you more volume, you know, for your kit. It is cheaper than the scrapbook kit, but you also don't receive the scrapbook paper. So this way you're getting some more items. And then also we have, this is actually a guitar string pack, but what you'll receive in here is a little handmade, you know, sentiment definition. You get fabric leaf, you get some stickers, and a handmade wax seal with the pressed flower in it. You'll also get the napkin. And then you'll get a couple of vintage book pages. This one I thought was really neat. It had some handwriting on it, and some will have some handwriting, you know, where someone's taken notes. And so you get, you know, but these are all vintage book pages. They are from this book here, Choral Verse Speaking, An Avenue to Speech Improvement and Appreciation of Poetry, by Elizabeth E. Kepi. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this was a book let's see, I'm looking for the date here. 1939 book, and it's the only copyright date on there, so it was a 1939 book, which is crazy. That's almost 100 years ago. This year just keeps moving right along. And then inside you'll get like a pearl colored envelope. We have different colors: light green, dark green, golds, browns, reds. And so inside it you'll get a few more items here, some random ephemera, and a couple of pages that are really neat to incorporate into your junk journal, into your scrapbook album. You can make little bits of ephemera out of it. This is a craft paper, and this is a white paper with lines, double-sided. So I thought that would be pretty neat. Just a little something different than what we usually put in the This and That mystery kits. But, given the title of it, you receive this and a little of that. So anyway, I hope that you are really excited about the kits. It was a lot of fun to put these together. Again, I'm extending the Labor Day sale through September 7th, which is this Thursday, so all day Thursday until midnight. Just to give you a little extra time with the busy weekend. I wasn't able to do the unboxing videos, so we will have our Shabby Chic Treasures unboxing video up tomorrow, and that way you can see what you'll receive, can make a better informed decision. Most of y'all just purchase the kits each month before you even see them, but then there are some that want to make sure of what they're going to be receiving, and that's why I like to do the unboxing videos, so that you can see, and if you like what you see, then you can purchase them. So, and I'll put a link in the video below, so that if you would like to go and purchase any of these kits, you can. Thank you so much for watching.